Hello dear friends, I'm just going to introduce you one of the new systems that we have this year. It's ALİNE solid slider. With ALİNE solid slider, if you have large gaps and if you want to have good insulation, this is one of the best solutions. Let me introduce you basically how we use it. Okay, I open it and it's very easy to manage the system. And now it's perfect. So, can you zoom here a little bit? The frame of the system is almost like 18 centimeters. It's 177 millimeters. And the sash, it's 82 millimeters. And it gives you perfect insulation. With this system, you can cover about 4-meter gaps and one fixed and 2 double active sash. It gives you very nice solution. I really recommend you that if you have large gap and if you are looking for good insulation, you can apply this system. It has triple gaskets and you can apply triple glass and you can have perfect insulation results. Okay, thank you.